everyone, welcome back to Monday and welcome to Mental Pick. So for today, we got a total of 36 Amazon leads, 32 coming from our online OA arbitrage and 4 coming from RA. So let's check some of the works that we got today. Five deals coming from Fenwick. This Clinique deal, you could earn a profit of 5.79 with an ROI of 30%. Another Clinique deal with a profit of 15.73 and an ROI of 43%. This moisturizer item, you could earn a profit of 17.61 with an ROI of 48%. This MAC lipstick 11.59 and an ROI of 53%. And lastly, this MAC satin lippy, they could earn a profit of 13.03 with an ROI of 77%. There you go. Great deals and finds for our Fenwick deals today. All of them have great profit and ROI. So check out the rest of the items that we got for you. So if you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you this channel's review giveaways, affiliate income, and bounty bonus. So if you're interested, feel free to check these channels out. A bot operated channel that we got for you is this Amazon to Amazon monitoring or A2A flips, wherein you could see all the latest deals from Amazon that you could also sell from Amazon. Another bot operated channel is this price drop monitoring, wherein you could see all the latest price drop of websites. So check them out because they got great deals and finds for you as well. And lastly, our general and Amazon community, wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it and, of course, share achievements with. That would be all for recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day. Bye, everyone!